Hello, food lovers! Today we're going to talk about Kampot Pepper, a world-renowned extraordinary pepper. I'm Wes, welcome to the Spice Files. And we're going to talk about the Piper Negrum, the round pepper, and the Piper Retrofactum, which is the long Kampot pepper. It can only be cultivated in the province of Kampot and the small province of Kep, so it has a protected geographical indication certification. So if you buy a Kampot pepper, the PGI certification only guarantees that you have true Kampot pepper. Fresh green Kampot pepper is much used in the Cambodian kitchen. It's not exported. But there is an alternative, and that is the fresh green Kampot pepper preserved in salt. And the flavors come very close to the fresh green Kampot pepper. It's a true explosion of flavors in your mouth. It's very surprising. You can even put them on your party table as an appetizer. It's also great on duck, or to make a beautiful green pepper sauce. And of course, you can use a lot of it in every kind of stir fry you like. The next on the line is the black Kampot pepper. They are picked when they're dark green. They are washed and dried in the sun for a few days. It has a strong and yet delicate peppery flavor, and it has some beautiful notes of eucalyptus and fresh mint. This is a great pepper to use freshly in your pepper mill. It's absolutely a great finishing pepper. The red pepper is picked when it's completely ripened. It's very unique in its flavors. It's a little bit less pungent and peppery than the black one. It has notes of red fruits like forest berries, and it also got some beautiful hints of prunes and honey. Very unique. It is a beautiful pepper for your salads, but frankly I can use it on almost anything. The white Kampot pepper is actually the heart of the red Kampot pepper. They put the red Kampot pepper in boiling water for a few minutes and then peel the husk, and what's left is the heart of the red Kampot pepper. Now you might think it's the same taste, and it's not the case, my friends. It has a very delicate peppery flavor with notes of fresh herbs, eucalyptus, and it's also got some beautiful citrusy hints and a slight background note of rosemary. And this is really a very nice pepper with seafood. And we also got the long Kampot pepper, which is also PGI certified. And to start with, we got the fresh green long pepper that is also preserved in salt. It has a real strong spicy flavor and is very much used in quality restaurants. Excellent with duck and game, but you can use this in any way you like. The long black pepper has an extraordinary warm flavor that makes you think of spice bread. You can also find some hints of tonka beans and even a small background note of cinnamon. Some very interesting layers of flavors in this pepper. And the last one is the fully ripened red long pepper. It has some very complex flavors with a note of musk, and we still got some background notes of spice bread. You can also find hints of chocolate. It is a warm pepper with a nice sweetness to it. The funny thing is that the long pepper was used by the ancient Khmer civilization for offering and ceremonial purpose, and it was not used in cooking. So this was kind of a sacred ingredient. So if you're a spice lover, this is an absolutely must-have on your kitchen shelf. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.